Hello, doctor. This is Group 11 discussing the topic depression as an outcome of economic struggle. After World Mental Health Day was initiated by World Federation for Mental Health in 1992, many countries adopted it as a means of promoting mental health. There are interrelationships between depression and physical health. Adolescents with depression are at risk for increased hospitalizations, recurrent depressions, psychosocial impairment, alcohol abuse, and antisocial behaviors as they grow up. So, what is depression? Depression is a common mental disorder that presents with depressed mood, loss of interests or pleasure, decreased energy, feelings of guilt, or low self worth. Depression shares symptoms with anxiety. These problems can become chronic or recurrent and lead to substantial impairments in an individual's daily response. How depression is a consequence of economic crisis. The economic crisis has led to significant decline in economic activities. Under these circumstances, people, especially living near the poverty line, are under great psychosocial stress. Through its influence on parents, a financial crisis affects the mental health in children. In India, why there is a large treatment gap? According to the recently conducted National Mental Health Survey (NMHS), the treatment gap of any mental disorder in India is reported to be as high as 83%. It has been recognized that teaching psychiatry at undergraduate level is the way forward for integration so that psychiatry gets its due recognition as a medical specialty. Psychiatry teaching in undergraduate was limited to few hours of lecture and clinical postings and only one short note in examination, which led to avoidance of psychiatric training and was given less importance by most medical students. What is the best treatment for depression? Three of the more common methods used in depression treatment include cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, interpersonal therapy, and psychodynamic therapy. Financial stress can lead to insomnia, weight gain. Stress can disrupt your appetite, causing you to anxiously overeat or skip meals. Depression. Living under the cloud of money is not that easy. Struggling to concentrate or make decisions is a common problem. Also, anxiety. Money can be a safety net. Without it, you may feel vulnerable. And relationship difficulties, of course. Money is often cited as the most common issue couples argue about. Left unchecked, financial stress can make you angry, irritable, and cause a loss of interest in sex. And also, what are objectives of this research? In general, the objective of research is to generate scientific knowledge based on a multi-dimensional understanding of depression and inform the public about depression and its treatment and make the public aware of mental illness, of course. Our specific objectives: the aim of this study is to investigate whether there is any relationship between socioeconomic factors and mental depression, specifically in connection with family income and education, to provide scientific knowledge on depression and personality, increase knowledge of mental illness, to promote early help seeking among young people, to examine age specificities associated with depression and personality, to generate knowledge that can nourish mental health policies, of course. A null hypothesis is low economic status has no significant effect on mental health and depression, and the alternative hypothesis stands as low economic status has a significant effect on mental health and significance of a study. It helps people who experience unemployment, impoverishment, and family disruptions have a significantly greater risk of mental health problems such as depression. You can not only help those suffering from depression, but you can also identify those who are under the risk of depression as well. You can adequately assess whether you yourself are suffering from depression. Do you feel anxious or not? Benefits to be derived from the study: can spread awareness describing economic struggle leading to depression, can also help in treatments of the individuals going through depression, can also help private and government authorities and agencies to work on improving mental health treatment tactics. Learning about depression and the potential causes of it can lead you to live a cleaner, healthier lifestyle.
Literature review. Only a few researchers have tried to estimate the economic burden of depression. In a series of studies, depression has been found to be significantly associated with discriminate in job performance, in at work productivity, as well as the hold on asset value as an individual. First review is of prevalence and socio-economic impact of depression disorder in India. Methodology used is utilizing standard statistical procedure used for sample size estimation in population-based survey. It was determined to interview 3,000 adults respondent in each case. That will be a total of 36,000 adults from 12 states. Second study was from cross-sectional study of depression and health seeking in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a state in North India. Cluster sampling was conducted in 3 phases. There was a heterogeneity of outcome measure from depression, with some studies not utilizing validity assessment instruments. Research design. Cross-sectional study design has been used. Quantitative data method is preferred in the research. List of multiple choice questions were used as an electronic survey. Source and selection of the subject. Study includes age specific associated with depression and personality. Target population that we chose was from 18 to 20 years old enrolled in educational institutions and 21 to 35 working or non-sampling method. Stratified random sampling. In tools that we used were MS Excel and MS Word. Data analysis. We examined the effect of economic crisis on mental health and mortality due to depression.
Definitions. First is depression. Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affect how you feel, the way you talk, and how you act. Unemployment. The term unemployment refers to a situation when a person who is actively searching for an employment is unable to find work. Antidepressants. Antidepressants are medication used to treat major depressive disorder, some anxiety disorders, some chronic pain condition, and to help manage some addiction. Talk therapy. Talk therapy or psychotherapy allows a person to discuss their concern, goal, and challenges with a person who holds no bias and no judgments. This is the dummy table. It contains the profile of respondents. In this, we categorize them on the basis of gender, age, sector ownership classification, economic status, and educational status. And this is the Gantt chart. It contains the schedule of research activity, the month in which the particular activity is done.
Ethical considerations. All procedures of the present study has been completed, meeting with the standards and the requirements of the human investigations, following all the rules and morals of the human research. Members of the review were informed and acknowledged about all the process techniques following their privacy. Participants agreed willingly to be part of this study.